Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing well. I'm Ahmed from moslehischool. My background is very beautiful, isn't it? Yes, of course. If you want to create a beautiful desktop like this, watch this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can create a magnificent desktop like this. Study with me. To have a beautiful desktop, you just need to do 4 small steps. Step 1. You need to get your favorite theme or wallpaper. You can download your favorite theme and wallpaper from Microsoft Store or some websites that offer free window themes. First, I will introduce these websites and then get a beautiful live wallpaper from Microsoft Store. Step 2. Now we need to go and get a widget to make the desktop more beautiful. As before, I used free Microsoft Store widgets. Let's go! Step 3. In this step, I want to hide desktop icons. So, right-click the desktop, click View, and uncheck Show Desktop Icons. Great! Let's go to the last step. Step 4. In this step, we want to hide taskbar. So, right-click empty space on the taskbar, select taskbar setting, taskbar behaviors, and select automatically hide the taskbar. Now you have a magnificent desktop.